Did you know that Malaysia was never meant to host the 1975 Men's Hockey World Cup? The honor originally belonged to India, but when the International Hockey Federation revoked their hosting rights, an opportunity arose. With just 1 year to organize hockey's biggest tournament, the Malaysian Hockey Federation turned to its trusted secretary, Vijayananthan, fondly known as VG. VG, who ran MHF in the early years out of his car, worked relentlessly with other volunteer officials to ensure the event was managed smoothly.
I worked for the hockey for so many years. I was never paid a cent. My house, my children, all helped hockey. Malaysian hockey didn't have the money to buy a typewriter.
VG balanced an impossible dual role as the organizing secretary and as an umpire. A world-class umpire known for his fairness and integrity, he was about to face the sternest test of his career. It came in the final between bitter rivals India and Pakistan. Master dribbler Ashok Kumar, son of the legendary Dhyan Chand, weaved through the Pakistani defense and struck the ball past the goalkeeper. VG blew for goal. India 2, Pakistan 1. But Pakistan claimed the ball had hit the post and never crossed the line. The backlash was so intense that VJ required police escort to get home. The next day at RTM Studio, the replay was reviewed. The verdict? The ball had hit the inside of the post. VG's call was correct. Despite the incident, his relationship with Pakistani hockey officials remained cordial.
They invited me. My family was afraid. You never know what the Pakistani people do. When you landed there, you must feel the way they treated you. Like as though your Maharaja has come. They treated you fantastic. They brought a car, they brought garland.
In 2017, Pakistan's then captain, Islahuddin Siddiqui, claimed in his autobiography that the winning goal was wrongly awarded to India. He alleged bias and pointed to VG's Indian heritage. VG's swift response: "I am a full-blooded Malaysian." VG's impact on hockey stretched far beyond one match or one call. For decades, he helped shape the sport as an administrator and umpire both in Malaysia and on the global stage. His epic journey in hockey is about a lifetime of dedication, resilience, extraordinary achievement, and an unwavering love for the sport.